Alright, so here we go. The world's largest silver producer saw its production decline substantially in the first half of the year 2013. When compared to the first half of 2012, they produced 653 tons of silver. In this first half of this year, 2013, they've dropped down to 544 tons, which is about 17% of a decline. This is production. This is mining. So not only has Mexico shown a 10% loss in production, a Mexican company, literally out of Mexico, or was that gold? I don't know I can't remember if Mexico was gold or silver. Nonetheless, it doesn't really matter. We're talking precious metals, so they're declining in places that are noticeable, especially this one. Man, this is interesting because, as I've said, what happens when the paper price, which is set on the COMEX every single day, says one thing, but trying to get your hands on physical gold or silver is another thing? There will absolutely be a disconnect, because everyone who says, oh, these prices are great, I want to go buy, okay, go buy it. You can't get it. So if you go and you're just trying to get it, but you're looking at the COMEX to set the price, because that's what sets the price, and you realize, well, I can't get it here. Well, the COMEX is the one setting the price, and they have the silver and gold there. So some of the bigger players will, someone who can afford 5,000 ounces of silver at once, that kind of a thing, will go there and buy it and then demand delivery. They're not going to play it for the paper contract. They'll demand delivery. And then they'll notice then, oh, we're starting to see delays, which is actually what's happening right now. So I've said this before, where I don't, I know how a lot of people talk about the COMEX defaulting and the LBMA defaulting and all that. I don't necessarily think that they could default, because all they have to do is say there's no more delivery. This is a paper market only. You no longer can demand delivery. That will be the day when the real reality starts setting the price and not this fake piece of crap paper. So when I see stuff like this, this is just more proof that gold and silver prices have to go up higher. Mining's going down, which means if they have to go deeper to get the stuff, the prices are going to go way up, etc. And you can only go so deep before you stop, producing, before it becomes not worth it, all the good stuff, all the easy stuff is at the top, even though the top is like digging down significantly when I say the top. But again, how deep are you going to be able to go to just continually pull gold and silver out of the ground? There's a point in time where it's just like, okay, this is it. This mine is finished. So the declining of mining, the incredible demand in bullion, and when I say bullion, I'm talking precious metals investors, not someone who needs, solar panels and all kinds of electronics that have silver in it, like manufacturing purposes. I'm talking strictly just investment demand. As I said the other day, Gold Eagle sales from 2007, Silver Eagle sales from just Silver Eagles only, 2007 to 2013, 500% increase in sales, of number of the coins sold. That is a massive increase. And I know it's not all silver, but it is one very wanted silver item. So, as I said, has mining increased? No, and as a matter of fact, it is, as I just showed you, it is decreasing. You have got to hold on to that physical gold and silver and just wait this out. Trust me. I don't care if you bought it in the $40 range and you're still sitting on it waiting and waiting. Man, it's been 2 years now. Man, you will be a fool if you decide to throw in the towel right now. I told you then, and since I've been doing videos since 2010 on this subject, this will be a little bit of a wait. This isn't going to be a get-rich-quick scheme. It never was intended to be that. It was just intended to save your financial life when the collapse came. And as I was researching more and more, I came to realize, oh my God, you can have a small fortune when this is over with, not just save your financial life. Wow. Imagine being able to pay off your house with just a few hundred silver coins. And I'm talking about a decently priced house. So, anyways, take care.